Hi everyone. Welcome to our short screencast to show what a student will see when they go to access the Engineering Maths resources for Spirit Maths. Once a student is on the Canvas page for Maths Online, they can select from a number of resources according to student course, module code or name, or topic. If they select module code or name, they can search for their individual module. If they wish to access the resources for Maths 6014, for example, they select this module and are brought to the following page. Here they can access a number of past exam papers, some of which have links to video worked solutions. For example, if the student selects the 2019-2020 exam paper, they can then try the questions and click on the video link embedded next to a question part if they're having difficulty completing that question. Clicking on the link for question 1b part 2, for instance, brings the student to a page where they have the option of attempting a similar question, in the same style but with different numbers. They can enter their answer in the space provided, and when they select check, they are told whether their answer is correct or incorrect. If they do not get the question correct, they can then look at a short animated video going through a similar question in full. Once they have watched the video, they can then try more questions of the same style by clicking on the Numbers link below the video. This question is in the same format as the exam question and the video solution. The student can attempt the question themselves, or can use one or more hints to help them with the question. For instance, if the student needs a small amount of help to start the question, they can click on the first hint, which should hopefully help to get them started. They then have the option of continuing from there themselves and solving for x. Alternatively, they can click on a second hint for a little more help. At each stage, they have the option of then continuing with the rest of the question themselves or getting some further help. Eventually, after either entering their own answer or having used all of the hints, the student can try another question in the same style but with different numbers by clicking Try another question like this one. Alternatively, if a student is looking for some general revision or help with a particular topic in their module, rather than looking at past exam papers, they can access the resources for their module by clicking on the relevant topic. If a student clicks on Logarithms Revision, for example, they are taken to a H5P book, where all of the relevant resources are gathered together. There are brief instructions at the top of the page on how to use the resource, and when they open the book, they have access to all of the same resources that are accessible through the exam paper links. But here, there are several types of questions, and a student can easily navigate through the book. In this way, they can work on one or more types of question. In each case, the student can first try a question and enter their answer, watch a short video working through a similar question, and finally, access further practice questions using the Numbers link below the video. There is also the option of a student providing feedback on the resources that have been provided. So that's an overview of some of the resources that have been developed under the Spirit Maths project. Thank you for watching.